Good morning. So our lesson for today is multiplying 2 and 3-digit numbers by 1 digit. So alam na natin kung ano yung 2 and 3 digit. Ibig sabihin dalawa o tatlong number, multiply natin sa isang number lang. Okay? First, you will need your pencil and your paper. I want you to take down notes so that if you forgot how to do the process, you have notes to look at 2. Okay? Before we're going to start our lesson, let's have a short review on partitioning. But kailangan natin matutong mag-partition? Because in multiplying, it will be easier for us kung marunong tayo mag-partition like this. 32, we can partition, or kapag pinaghiwalay natin yan, we have 30 and 2. Or 20 plus 12, it will still be 32. Or 10 plus 22, it's still 32. Paano naman kapag mga malalaking number? Let's say we have 248. Paano natin yan ipapartition? We have 240 and 8. That's how we partition hundreds or 3-digit numbers. Last example, we have 956. If we partition that, that will be 950 and 6. Okay? Before we start, do we know what's multiplying? Pag narinig natin yung word na multiplying, ano yung pumapasok sa isip natin? Ay, mahirap kasi multiplying. Ay, times. Okay? But in reality, multiplying is just repeated addition. Ibig sabihin, uulit-ulitin lang natin siya or parang mag-a-add lang tayo ng paulit-ulit. Okay? Kaya in our multiplication facts, when we see that 4 multiplied by 3, ibig sabihin, si 4, uulitin natin ng 3 beses or that would be 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. Okay? So, when we multiply, okay, multiple, pinaparami natin ng isang bagay. Okay? Multiple, pinaparami natin. So, let's start. So, in multiplication, this is what really happens. See, it multiplies. This is 10. Okay? So that in that problem, 12 is multiplied by 5. That's why we partition 12 into 10 and 2. We have here 10 and 2. See, we repeated 10 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inulit natin yung 10 ng 5 beses and that would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then we also repeated 2 units 5 times. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we have 10. And then the last thing we need to do is just what? Put this together. 50 plus 10 is equals to 60. So we can say 12 times 5 is equals to 60. This is what's really happening when we're multiplying. Now let's see. Lila sells t-shirts. She sold t-shirts that cost 542. Ang mahal ng t-shirt ni Lila. To 7 people. How much did she earn altogether? So, si Lila nagbenta ng t-shirt sa 7 tao. So, ilang tao yung pinagbentahan niya? 7. So, sabihin natin na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ito yung pinagbentahan niya. And lahat yun ay nagbayad ng magkano pong halagang t-shirt? 542. So we can say that this is all 542. Lahat yan 532. That's not 11, ha? That's 542. All of them pays 542. And with that, our problem is to know kung magkano ang nabenta lahat ni Laila. So, magkano lahat to pag pinagsama-sama? So, it means 542 multiplied by how many yung taong napagbentahan niya? 7. First things first, we need to partition. Now, papartition na natin to ng 3. Why? Because we have 3-digit number. So, paano natin yung ipapartition? So, we have 540 and 2. That's what we're going to do or to put here. 542. How many times are we going to multiply 542? We have 7. So, we put 7 here. Okay, so what are we going to do? Si 500 muna uulitin. Or we're going to multiply 500 into 7. Okay, so 7 na 500. We have 7 times 5 is 35. And then ilan po to? 2. Okay, next. Si 7 naman, imumultiply natin kay 40. So, 7 times 4, you have 28. And then, baba natin si 0. And then, lastly, si 7 naman kay 2. Or 7 times 2. Si 7 ulit tinang 2 beses. So, nandito si 7. 2. 1, 2. So, 14. O kaya naman yung isa nating strategy kanina, si 7 to si 2, saan sila magmi-meet? You have 14. And last thing we're going to do, we're going to add all this number. 3,500s or 3,500 plus 280 plus 14. Ilan po lahat yan? We have 3,794. Okay? So, next. Okay, why don't you pause this video and try it on your notebook? So, you need to pause this video and try to answer this on your notebook. Okay, so did you try it? It will really be helpful if you try it on your own. Okay, now let's see if you have the same answer. Elsa packed 7 boxes of toys for Christmas. Wow! 7 boxes of toys for Christmas. Each box contains 49 different types of toys. How many toys did she pack in all? So, we understand the problem or we understand that Elsa ay merong how many box? 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each box, ibig sabihin sa bawat box, it contains 49 different types of toys. Ibig sabihin dito merong 49 na toys, 49. How many toys did she pack in all? So, kailangan natin malaman ilan lahat yung toys na box niya. So, we understood that it's 49 multiplied by 7. Uulitin natin si 49 ng 7 times para malaman natin kung ilan lahat ng toys na kanyang nabalot. Okay? Now, let's partition. Partition. We have 49 pag pinartition natin, it's 40 and 9. So, we will put 40 here and 9. And 49 will be multiplied into 7. Okay, now let's start with 7 or 40 multiplied by 7. Ulitin natin 47 times. So, 7 times 4, 7. Dito tayo. So, uulitin natin si 7 ng 4 na beses. So, mag-start tayo dito. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ang 4 na 7 is 48. I mean 28. So, we will put here 28 and then 0. Now, let's move into 9. Si 9, uulitin natin ng 7 times. Or, pwede naman din magkabaliktad. Si 7, uulitin natin into 9 na beses. Okay? So, 9 times 7. So, 9. Ito si 9. Uulitin natin si 9 ng 7 times. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, we have 63. And then, we were going to put this together. Okay? 280 plus 63 will be what? 343. Okay? So, do we have the same answer? If yes, good job. If not, it's okay. At least you try and siguro malapit na din yung answer nyo. Okay, last, I want you to try this also on your own and then we'll check it afterwards. Okay? So, pause this video and then try to answer it. Okay, so you're done. Let's check it. Anika earns 782 pesos a day as a waitress in a cafe. So, si Anika daw nagtatrabaho sa kapihan, sa coffee shop. And then, ang isang araw niya daw ay, ang sweldo niya ay 782. The problem is, how much will be her salary if she works in 7 days? Magkano daw yung magiging sweldo niya kung nagtrabaho siya ng 6 days? So, we understand that in one day, meron siyang salary na 782. So, sa pag second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, we're trying to figure out magkano ang magiging salary niya kapag sa second day na siya, third day, fourth day, fifth, and sixth. So, kapag naka-6 na araw siya, magkano lahat ng kanyang sweldo? So, ang gagawin natin ay 782 multiplied by how many? 6. Kasi gusto nating malaman kung ilan ang sweldo niya in 6 days. Okay, so first, we're going to partition. We have 700. Okay, so kulang tayo ng isa. 782 multiplied by 6. So let's put 782 and then ulitin natin 782 ng 6 times. So, let's start. 700. Ulitin natin ng 6 times. So, we have 7 times 6. 7. Ulitin natin ng 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 42. We have 42. And then yung dalawang 0. Okay? So, si 80, uulitin naman natin si 80 ng 6 times. So, sa 8 muna tayo, 8. So, si 8, ulitin natin ng 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's, sorry, cannot say it anymore. That's 48. So, 48, and then baba natin tong si 0. Then, lastly, we have 6. Ulitin natin dalawa, and obviously, that would be 12. Now, last thing we need to do is to add it all together. 4,200 or 42 hundredths plus 480 plus 12. So, how much is yung salary ni Anika kapag nag-work siya ng 6 days sa coffee shop? So, si Anika ay makaka-earn ng 4,692. Do we have the same answer? If yes, good job. Okay, so now you can do your worksheet for today. Thank you for listening.